Welcome everyone. If cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2, then find the value of cos to the power 5 theta plus sin to the power 9 theta. First write the equation, given equation. What is that? Cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. That is cos theta plus sec theta, that is equal to 2. If we look at what is to find out, there is cos and sin. Therefore, we have to find out the values of cos theta and sin theta. In this equation, cos theta and sec theta is present. So, make it this equation in terms of 1 ratio. That is, either convert cos theta in terms of sec or sec theta in terms of cos. Better to convert sec theta in terms of cos. So, write cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 2, or simplifying this, cos square theta plus 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 2. Again, cos square theta plus 1, that is equal to 2 cos theta. Transpose 2 cos theta to the left, cos square theta minus writing proper arranging after 2 cos theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. Obviously this can be written as cos theta minus 1 that of square, that is equal to 0. So obviously cos theta minus 1, that is equal to 0, or cos theta is equal to 1. So we have got the values of cos theta. We need to find now sin theta. To find sin theta, finding here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is from the trigonometric formula. So from here we find sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or sin square theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1, cos square theta will be 1, so sin theta is equal to 1 will get cancelled, this is equal to 0. Now easy to find out the value of cos to the power 5 theta plus sin to the power 9 theta, cos to the power 5 theta. Put the values of cos theta is equal to 1 to the power 5 plus sin theta is equal to 0, 0 to the power 9. So 1 to the power 5 is equal to 1 plus 0 to the power 9 is equal to 0. So final value, that is equal to 1. Therefore the required value of cos theta to the power 5 plus sin to the power 9 theta, that is equal to 1. Thank you all.